Hi friends, today we'll discuss about interest rate index. Interest rate index serves as a benchmark to calculate the interest rate. Benchmark means standard set by a particular organization that will be followed. Types of interest rate index in the market. We have a PLR, we have repo rate, we have 6 months average GSEC, 90 days average T-bill, MIBOR, LIBOR. These type of interest rates index are available in the market. Interest rate index is applicable to floating rate loans only. I given a sample for a repo rate index. Repo rate index effective date on 1st January to 15th January, index as fixed as 4.5%. On 16th January, rate has changed. Repo rate index rate has changed to 5.2%. Like that, different intervals, these people will be giving the latest index rates that will be followed by the organization. It may be the financial institution or it may be the bank. These people will take it as a benchmark and they will set the loans interest rate. In my example, the repo rate index rate changed in a month. So in my organization or in my bank, if I open a loan account on 1st January, so repo rate index was 4.5%. My spread is 5%. Spread is additional interest over cost of funds. My deposits or my liabilities, cost of deposit is 9%. Extra 5% is my income. Spread is my income. So if I open a loan on 1st January, repo rate index is 4.5%. My spread is 5%. So applicable rate of interest for a loan is 9.5%. So the loan opened on 1st January, rate of interest will be applicable on 9.5%. If a loan opened on 18th January, the rate of interest applicable to that particular loan is 10.2%, because on 18th repo rate index rate is 5.2%, my spread is 5%. So 10.2% applicable to the loan opened on 18th. We have different interest reset frequencies are available. Reset means revise. So it is a floating rate. Always the rate of interest will be revised on a particular interval. So these reset frequencies are available is daily, monthly, quarterly, half yearly. Now in this scenario, we'll discuss about if the reset frequency is daily. So at the same example, 1st January repo rate is 4.5%. On 18th January, repo rate has changed to 5.2%. So I opened a loan on 1st January. So reset frequency is daily. So up to 17th, repo rate was 4.5%, spread is 5%. So my applicable rate for the particular loan is 9.5%. From 1st January to 17th January, I'll calculate 9.5% per annum for the outstanding amount. My reset frequency is daily. So on 18th, from 18 onwards, I'll calculate interest rate as 10.2% on the outstanding loan amount. In next scenario, the reset frequency, the revised rate frequency is monthly. I have taken the same example, repo rate index. In this scenario, I opened loan on the same 1st January, but my reset frequency is monthly, because even though my rate has changed on 18th January, it will be applicable on the 1st February, means next month, 1st working day. So even though my rate of interest has changed on 18th January, but it will be applicable on 1st February only. So up to 31st January, rate will be calculated as 9.5%. From 1st February, the new rate 10.2% will be applicable for the said loan account for the interest calculation. But the same example, if the reset frequency is quarterly, quarterly means rate will be changed or revised every quarter only. So in my scenario, up to 31st March, even though 18th rate has changed, up to 31st March, rate will be calculated as 9.5%. From 1st April, it will be calculated as 10.2% because reset frequency is quarterly. In this scenario, the reset frequency is half yearly. Even though your rate has changed on 18th January, it will be applicable from next frequency. So half yearly will start at 1st October. So up to 30th September, your rate, applicable rate is 9.5%. From 1st October, 10.2% applicable to said account. So now you are seeing the, if it is the reset period is daily, monthly, quarterly, half yearly. So these applicable periods will be keep on changing. This revised rate applicable to the loan will be keep on changing. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.